Hey everyone, today we'll delve into how to buy Bitcoin step by step. Let's get started. First, select a Bitcoin wallet to store your coins. Options include mobile wallets like Trust Wallet, software wallets like Exodus, or hardware wallets like Ledger for added security. Next, choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Create an account and complete any necessary verification steps. Once your account is set up, deposit funds. You can typically use bank transfer, credit cards, or even PayPal, depending on the exchange. Now navigate to the Bitcoin market, enter the amount you wish to buy, and place a market or limit order. Confirm your purchase. After buying, consider transferring your Bitcoin to your wallet for added security. Go to your wallet, select Receive, and input your wallet address on the exchange to withdraw. Keep track of your investment. Use price tracking apps or the exchange itself to stay updated on Bitcoin's market performance. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.